All right, buckle up, everybody, because today we're diving into the fast lane of the digital age.
That's right.
We're talking about how car dealerships are shifting gears to thrive in a world that's gone digital.
It's a whole new ball game out there.
It is.
Yeah.
And to help us navigate this road, we're taking a deep dive into the Dealer's Edge.
Interesting company.
Yeah. Now, they're based in Durban, South Africa.
Okay.
But get this, their strategies are making waves nationwide and even spilling over into neighboring countries like Namibia.
Wow.
So clearly they're onto something.
Yeah, it sounds like they've got a global perspective on this.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So let's unpack this a little bit. What makes the Dealer's Edge stand out? What are they doing differently?
Well, I think what's really fascinating here is that they take a really comprehensive approach.
Okay.
They understand that it's not enough for dealerships to just have a website, which,
Right.
let's face it, everyone's got a website these days.
Yeah.
It's about creating a seamless online experience.
Yep.
Right? From the moment someone starts thinking about buying a car to the moment they drive off the lot.
So it's like building a digital showroom
Exactly.
that's just as inviting, just as effective as walking into a physical dealership.
Yeah, and I think that's really the key because, people's expectations have changed.
For sure.
They're used to, these really slick online experiences.
Right, and they want that same level of, I guess, ease and engagement when they're shopping for a car.
Absolutely. And that's where I think the Dealer's Edge is really smart.
Okay.
They're saying, listen, it's not enough to just slap a buy now button on a website.
Yeah, it's got to be more than that.
It's about leveraging the power of these platforms, right? We're talking Google Ads, Facebook, all these things that people are using every single day.
Okay, so let's talk about that. How are they actually using those platforms? Give us some specifics.
Sure. So imagine this. You're scrolling through your Facebook feed, right?
It's to all of us.
And you see an ad for a car. But it's not just any car. It's the exact make and model you were just researching online.
Whoa, that's a little creepy, but I kind of like it.
Well, that's the power of hyperlocal targeting.
Okay.
And what's really cool is that because the Dealer's Edge ties this into real-time inventory,
Yeah.
the car is actually available at a dealership near you.
So it's not just some generic ad that makes you go, oh, that's a nice car. It's like, wait a minute, I could actually go test drive this today.
Exactly.
That's huge.
It's a powerful incentive.
It is. It's like they're reading your mind a little bit.
Well, in a way they are, right? They're using data to understand what you're interested in, and then they're delivering that information to you in a way that's relevant and timely.
Okay, so they're pulling people in with these targeted ads.
Right.
But how else are they using data to actually create a better experience for the customer once they're, interested? They mentioned something about CRM systems, right?
Yeah, that's right.
What's that all about?
So CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. And essentially, it's like a dealership's memory bank.
Okay.
It remembers everything about a customer's interactions with the dealership.
Gotcha.
So think about it. Past purchases, service appointments, even just inquiries they've made.
Okay, so a treasure trove of information.
Exactly. And what the Dealer's Edge does is they help dealerships actually use that data.
Okay.
So instead of it just sitting there, it becomes a tool to personalize the entire customer experience.
So how does that look in practice? Give me an example.
Sure. So imagine you're a customer, right?
Yeah.
And you get an email from the dealership, but it's not just some generic marketing blast.
Yeah.
It's a personalized message reminding you that your next service appointment is coming up based on your car's mileage.
Okay.
Or maybe it's a special offer on accessories that are tailored to your specific vehicle.
So it's like they're anticipating your needs before you even know you have them.
Exactly.
That's pretty impressive.
It's about being proactive, right?
Okay.
And building that relationship.
Okay, so it sounds like this personalized approach, it's not just about, getting someone to buy that first car.
Absolutely not.
It extends beyond that initial purchase.
It's about the long game.
Okay.
It's about building loyalty. Because let's face it, getting a new customer is way more expensive than keeping an existing one.
Absolutely. So how do they do that? How do they use data to foster that long-term loyalty?
Well, they might use data to identify customers who are due for an upgrade,
Okay.
right, based on their past purchase history.
Makes sense.
Or they can tailor their marketing campaigns to different customer segments, right? So someone who's really interested in fuel efficiency might get information about the latest hybrid models,
Right.
while someone with a growing family might see ads for SUVs.
It's like they're creating this whole customized experience
Precisely.
based on your individual needs and preferences.
That's the future of marketing.
It really is.
Yeah.
Wow, it makes you wonder what other industries could benefit from this kind of digitally driven transformation.
Oh, I think the possibilities are endless.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
While we've been focusing on automotive sales today.
Right, because that's the dealer's edge's bread and butter.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But these principles, right?
Yeah.
Data-driven marketing, personalized experiences, building long-term customer relationships. These are applicable across industries.
It's about understanding your customer better than ever before.
Absolutely. And delivering value at every single touch point.
It's so true.
Yeah.
And I think for any business owner out there listening,
Yeah.
no matter what industry you're in,
Right.
it might be time to take a step back and ask yourself, how can I create my own digital edge?
That's the key question.
It is.
Yeah.
How can you stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving digital landscape?
Because the ones who don't, they're the ones who are going to get left behind.
It's true. The digital world is not slowing down for anybody.
Well,
So there you have it, folks.
food for thought.
A glimpse into the future of car buying, well, selling too, really fueled by data,
Yep.
powered by personalization, and driven by a deep understanding of what customers truly want.
I think that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.